thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Guitar Lessons. This song was requested. This is Every Thug Needs a Lady by Alkaline Trio. So if you guys have other requests, please let me know in the comments. I'm going to try and do a little bit of a different style on this one. So let me know if it's helpful or if you like the way I normally do it better or what. So, but yeah, this song's in standard tuning, no capo. I think it's pretty easy to play. You might think the strumming pattern is a little bit hard, but there's a couple different ones. It's mostly just power chords. So, but let's get into it. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Please hit like and subscribe because it means a lot to me. All right, so let's do this thing. So you're gonna start with G, okay? And you should do this G. It won't sound the same if you do this one. So do this G. All right, you're gonna do down, down, up. So down, down, up, mute. Okay, down, down, up, mute, down, down. Okay, and on that last one, and you don't have to do this, but it'll sound better. So when I'm doing this G, when I do the last strum, you see you're gonna lift up your ring finger. So you're gonna do down, down, up, mute, down, down, mute. Okay, then you're gonna keep these two fingers on here, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your pointer finger is gonna go on the 2nd fret on the D string, and your middle finger is going to go on the 2nd fret on the G string. Okay, I'm muting up here, and you go. Okay, so you do the same thing every time through the intro and kind of, I think they do it right after the chorus too. But every time you do this, so you're gonna do the same thing here, and you're gonna do down, down, up, mute, down, down, and lift up your ring finger on that last strum. Down, down, mute. And then you're gonna keep your pinky and ring finger there, and then you're gonna put your pointer fingers, pointer fingers, like you have two on the same hand. You're gonna put your pointer finger and your middle finger, you're just gonna move them up one set of strings. So your pointer finger then goes on the 2nd fret on the A string, and your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string. And then you do the same thing, down, down, up, mute, down, down, mute. Okay, so it's the same thing. And then you're gonna go put your pointer finger, goes on the 3rd fret on the A string. All right, you don't have to bar this, but you want to kind of do that so that you're just silencing the other strings, but not like holding them all down. So you're gonna put your pointer finger on the 3rd fret on the A string, ring finger goes on the 5th fret on the D string, and your pinky goes on the 5th fret on the G string, just like that. Your middle finger's not touching any of them, okay? So then you're gonna do down, up, 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 okay? So now let's walk you through that. So you're gonna do the G, down, down, up, mute, down, down. See, so where I just did it, I didn't lift up my ring finger. It doesn't sound quite as good, but you can play it like that if it's hard for you to do it. Okay, so just down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. All right, now after you do, so you're gonna play that twice, just like I did. So the first time, and then after you do it the second time, you're gonna start palm muting, and you're just gonna be playing power chords. So most of the song is power chords. So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna be on the 3rd fret on the E, A, and D strings. Okay, so pointer finger goes on the 3rd fret on the E string, ring finger, and it goes on the 5th fret on the A string, and your pinky goes on the 5th fret on the D string. All right, and you're gonna be palm muting now. So palm muting is putting this part of your hand as close as you can to right there. Not like right on top of it, but right in front of it, okay? So then what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna start with that. So we're gonna do, I'm gonna say the numbers will be 3, 5, 5, and then I'll tell you where they go from there. So you're gonna be palm muting there, and you're gonna do 3, 5, 5, and you're just gonna be doing down strums. Just down, 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 okay? So 3, 5, 5 on E and D. And then what you do is you go down and you're gonna be playing not E minor, but one set up, okay? So what I'm using these fingers, just you can use whatever ones you want, but it's kind of easy to mute the rest of them if I use those ones, because I have that one like touch these down here. So you're just gonna be, middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string, and your ring finger goes on the 2nd fret on the G string, okay? And then I'm just touching these other ones down here so that they're muted, okay? So you're just doing, oh yeah, sorry, and I mute that one too with my thumb. So you're doing O, 2, 2 on A, D, and G strings, and then you go to E minor, and then you go up to the 3, 5, 5 on the A, D, and G strings, okay? So you see, and I'm just touching the E string so that it doesn't play it. And then you go to 3, 5, 5 on the E, A, and D strings. Okay, so you're kind of starting over. It's the one you started in on the verse, but you're not going to repeat yet. So you're doing 3, 5, 5 on E, A, and D. And and then you go to 5-7-7, all right, on the A, D, and G strings. Okay, and then you're going to slide down to 3-5-5, and then start over. Okay, so then you're just going to repeat that. So you do 3-5-5, 0-2-2, then you do E minor, okay, and then 3-5-5. All right, sorry, 3-5-5. I did the wrong ones. 3-5-5 on A, D, and G, and then 3-5-5 on E, A, and D. 5-7-7 on A, D, and G. Okay, then you slide down 2 frets. 3-5-5 on A, D, and G. Okay, so that's how you play it. So let's walk you through what we have so far. So the intro is down, 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 down. You don't have to do that part you're doing, you're lifting up. You do it for the second verse, but if you just keep doing it like this, no one noticed. Okay, so then for the pre-chorus, what you're going to do is, all right, you're going to do 5-7-7 on A, D, and G. Okay, just that power chord. All right, so just down, up, down, up, down, mute. Okay, then you're going to go down to 5. You're going to slide down two frets. All right, so you're still on the A, D, and G strings, and you're doing 3-5-5. You're doing. All right, down, up, 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 down, up. Okay, and then you're gonna slide back up without stopping the strumming. So, okay, back up to 5-7-7 and just down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, mute. All right, and then you go back down to 3-5-5. All right, and then so from 3-5-5 you're gonna go do 3-5-5, slide back up to 5-7-7. 3-5-5, 4-2-4-4. So you go from, you're staying on the A, D, and G strings this whole time. So 5-7-7, 3-5-5, 2-4-4, and then you do the E minor. Okay, and then you go back up to 3-5-5 on A, D, and G. 5-7-7-7. Sorry, 5-7-7. And then the chorus. So that's the pre-chorus, all right? Now the chorus, you're gonna do 3-5-5 on the E, A, and D strings. Okay, then you're going to do the same frets, but you're going to be on the A, D, and G strings. And it's a quick change. Okay, just like that. Then you're going to go down to E minor. Okay. Then back up to 5-3-3 on A, D, and G. And then back up to the E, A, and D strings and 3-5-5. Then you slide up 2 frets, all right, and you're doing 5-7-7. Then you go to the 3rd and 5th frets on the A, D, and G strings. Okay, so you do 1, then you slide up to 5-7-7. You do that one quick. All right, and you just repeat that. Okay, so you'll repeat that like twice. So that's how you play that. Then the second verse is the same. The only difference in the second verse is that when you go back to it, the very last part of it, instead of just palm muting, and I mentioned this earlier, all right, at the end when you're doing 3-5-5 on A, D, and G strings, you're doing. Okay, so you can do that. You don't have to, but you can. All right. And then when you go to the bridge part, you're going to be doing the same thing as you did in the intro. So you can end it however you want. There's like, it's not difficult. But anyway, so that's how you play the song. I think you can end it on G. That's where I think it sounds great. So you could do. Oops, I pulled off the wrong one. you end it like that. Okay. So that's how you play the song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Thanks for watching, and it's been fun.